Hello, good evening everyone and mga ka-sweet. So for tonight's video, I'm gonna cook all-time favorite banana Q of Philippines. So itong saging na to is dala ng aming babysitter from Pinas. So thank you Ate Jen for this saging na saba. So for tonight, magluluto tayo ng banana Q dahil nag-request si Habibi. So cut muna natin sila into pieces and we will be back to you. Ibang-iba talaga is yung saging ng Pinas, fresh from Philippines. Isang excited ako kumain na. So what you're gonna use is brown sugar and cooking oil. Tulad lang ito sa lola ko. So ito yung kilig ko talaga. Ito yung namanas pa ko. Yung mabinuto. Kaya guys, samahan niyo ko kung gumawa ng banana Q. So guys, nakat na natin lahat ng ating banana. Look at this. So ito yung amount ng lulutuin natin tonight. So samahan niyo ako guys. So first guys, nagamit tayo ng cooking oil. Batukin natin yung pan natin. So like this. We're gonna need to heat our pan. So sa medium heat na tayo guys, para mag-make sure minute. And then we have our brown sugar. And also we have our cooking oil. So ready na? So guys, medyo mainit na yung pan natin. So tapatin na tayo ng cooking oil. So, dalhin natin guys. Nasa medium na tayo. First, ilagay na natin yung ating pan. Then, fry natin sila. So, ayun na nga po guys. Tapos na nga po tayo sa paggawa ng banana Q, ang ating sugar-coated banana. And this is the finished product. Ganyan po yung texture, ganyan yung color na gusto ko. So, samahan niyo kami for our dinner. And let's try first this banana Q. Done na everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye!